What is Solcial? Solcial is a permissionless social network allowing users to be rewarded fairly for their work, and promoting freedom of speech by allowing users to interact without fearing ban or censorship. Solcial is a mobile app, iOS and Android, a desktop app, and a website. On Solcial, each user has their own token, allowing you to invest directly in them. You get minted 1 million coins when you sign up. That supply is fixed, and the same for everyone. To begin with, every user will have their token price set to $1, with 10,000 of their tokens put in a liquidity pool. This helps ensure that tokens are tradable and users can compare token prices, knowing they began at the same price. Otherwise, these coins are yours, you can keep them or sell them, or send them to friends. To follow people on Solcial, we have 3 subscription levels. You can follow someone for free, Tier 1, to access their public content, similar to Twitter or Instagram, and to access their private content, what we call Tier 2 and 3 subscriptions. You need to own their token to be an investor in them. That's what we call the invest for subscription model. You can also display your NFTs on your user profile, either just to show off, or to buy/sell your NFTs with your friends. All user content is stored on IPFS and accessed through a P2P layer that we developed. Therefore, Solcial doesn't rely on censorable servers or gateways. And the token-related operations, minting, trading, etc., are all on the Solana blockchain.